Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time watching, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and make sure you click that bell notification icon so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm doing a little bit of an unboxing video as well as like a look with whatever's inside. Covergirl just sent me this PR package and it's really cute. It's this box. It's got the nice, I don't know what to call this, but it's like Baroque print on it. It looks super cute. I'm not gonna lie, I've already opened it. I already know what's inside for the most part. I took a sneak peek. Let's go ahead and open it up on camera. Okay, so first off, I'm taking it off. The lid says look fit for royalty. It's got these cute ass gemstones all over it. I really love it. So first things first, I'm gonna pull it up so that you guys can see it. It has all of these goodies right here. Oh, one fell out. They're all falling out. Okay, so first I'm gonna go over the shadow sticks. So they came out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different shadow sticks. These can be used as primer for the eyes. It can be used as eyeshadows or just eyeshadow sticks. These are very reminiscent of the Laura Mercier ones. They all come in different types of nude colors. I really like that there's really a shade for everyone. So looking at them, there is 5 metallic shades and 3 matte shades. I'm really excited about the colors because some of them look really bomb. I really like the matte ones to use as an eyeshadow base because a lot of times, like when I worked at Sephora, I needed something quick and easy. You know, I only have 45 minutes to do a makeover, and having the ability to use a matte eyeshadow stick was really convenient for me. It just got the job done and it was quick and easy, and then I just went around it with eyeshadow. With this collection, release 8 different liquid eyeshadows. These are very similar to the Stila ones. I'm just gonna show you guys, like, these are, there's 2 that aren't on camera, but these look very promising as well. Oh wow. Like, look at that, guys. That's the golden color. It's just super pretty. This is the shade. Okay, it's just number 6, I guess. They're super pigmented, but I will say they are a little patchy. I'm not going to lie. But when you layer them on top of an eyeshadow that's similar in color, that shouldn't be an issue. They're just not going to be like super opaque like some of the Stila ones. These are super glittery. I find that some of them are super glittery and then some of them are more like a metallic, but they're so pretty, you guys. Especially because we don't really have a lot of liquid eyeshadows in the drugstore. So I kind of swatched them all. My favorite is probably the rose gold, as well as the purple, the orange, and that top color. I don't know, guys. I'm like a sucker for like a rose gold shade, so I'm really excited about these. The pigmentation is really nice. I will say that you probably have to like work with them as soon as you put it on and blend it out because it will dry pretty quickly. For the record, the eyeshadow sticks are waterproof, I'm assuming, because I just tried to take it off with a makeup wipe and it is not coming off, which honestly, that's kind of a good thing. I'm a little shook right now. Please ignore my spray tan. My spray tan is like fading all ugly and I've been trying to just remove it. It's not coming off easily, but it's fine. Okay, so I'm really excited to try these out. They also came out with the new CoverGirl True Naked Queenship palette. This is very similar to all their other palettes. They honestly, in my opinion, are like dupe to all the naked palettes that Urban Decay has. This one is really pretty because it's got some glitter metallic shades. These palettes are super buttery, super creamy, and blend really nicely. I've used them before. That gold shade is everything. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it's so pretty. I'll definitely probably be using that on my eyelids a lot. So they came out with 4 different palettes. One is called Overthrown and Ascension, and the other 2 is Reign and Revolution. I really love this packaging. I'm really excited about them coming out with new eyeshadow palette styles just because their eyeshadow palettes don't have mirrors on them, so this is going to be a nice change. This is the palette Reign. I really like this one. You got the purple and the gold, and you got a blue. Those are all colors associated with royalty, so I'm really excited about that. This is probably the palette that I'm going to use on film today. Revolution has the nice red, gold, blue as well, but it's got a little bit more of warmth tone, so this is going to be more of a warm palette. Think like the Ablaze palette from Smashbox. This one is the Ascension palette. It's got very beautiful nudes and browns, but you also get your metallic shades. I really like this one. This is going to be more of like an everyday possible nighttime look. And then we got Overthrown. This one's going to be more for like that punk rock edgy girl. And then of course they freaking sent in my crown, you guys. I'm so excited. This is so cute. I feel like it's gonna fall off at any moment. Is that why royalty have to like stand like this? Because like they don't want their crown to fall off? This is wild. Let's go ahead and try some of these products. Let's see what is going on. And yeah, so if you want to see me try some of these products on, just keep on watching. So welcome to the demo portion of this video. The first thing I did notice just now is the Queenship palette and the Reign palette are very similar. So you got like the blue, the red, and the yellow, and then you also got similar colors in this. They aren't exactly the same, but They low-key are. I don't know what's going on, Covergirl, but I am mad. It's okay. At least you got 2 options for the palette, but if you already have one, then I guess you don't need the other one. First things first, I'm gonna go into the True Naked Queenship Cream Shadow Stick in 006, or it could be 900. I'm not sure. But it's just a nude tone. I'm just gonna go in with this, and I'm just gonna apply it to all over my lid. This is gonna serve as an eyeshadow primer. I'm just gonna put that all over the lid, and then I'm gonna take my finger and I'm just gonna blend it out. Make sure it's nice and even, because if it's not, you're gonna have trouble blending your eyeshadow because it's gonna be lumpy because it is a cream. So you always wanna make sure that you blend it out. If you want to, you can also take a damp beauty sponge, but I don't recommend it because then you're probably gonna stain it with eyeshadow, and then when you go use it on your face, it's gonna be wet. I'm gonna grab an eyeshadow brush. Let's see what we got here. My eyeshadow brushes are all dirty, obviously. This is like blue on it, but I'm about to put some blue on anyway. So I recently just did like a purple look on Instagram, so I'm trying to avoid that. Maybe I should use one of the palettes no one else would think about using, you know? Because like obviously all the palettes are going to be the same type of consistency, so let's do this. So I'm gonna go into Roofless, which is from the Revolution palette, because everybody knows I don't give a fuck. Let's go into Roofless, tap off the excess, and I'm just gonna start placing that in the outer crease, or in the outer corner of the eye, my bad. And then I'm gonna go to Brazen, which is like a lighter orange tone. It's like beigey on camera, but in person it's very golden orange. And I'm just gonna take that and apply it to the crease as well as the outer corner. This is just gonna help blend those colors out. I'm just gonna do the same to the other side real quick. So first I'm gonna go back into the cream eyeshadow color. This is 935, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply it to kind of cutting out a crease with it. This is just gonna look really pretty, and then when we layer the shadow on top, it's just gonna blend out so beautifully. Make sure, like I said, use your finger to blend it out. And honestly guys, as far as eyeshadow, you could literally stop right there, but because I'm an extra bitch, I'm gonna go the extra mile. So next I'm gonna apply Day One, which is that beautiful golden color from the Revolution palette. I'm just gonna take that on my finger and I'm just gonna pop it on top of what we already placed. Because we're putting this on top of a metallic cream eyeshadow, it's going to be more intensified. Ugh, I live. Beautiful, beautiful color. And then again, because I am so fucking extra, I'm gonna go into this light yellow glitter shadow. I'm always like weary about using this and how I apply them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just press it in the inner corner. And then taking my finger, I'm just gonna blend that out. And again, you get that beautiful transition of color. I don't know if it's coming off on camera, but it's there, guys. It's blinding. I really love the sparkle because it has like a green reflect, which is so pretty. I'm literally gagging right now. So I'm actually gonna take 960, which is a plum eyeshadow stick, and I'm gonna take that to my bottom lid as close to the waterline as possible. This is just gonna serve as like a base to like deepen the color of whatever we put on top. So after we've done that, you see like the eye is more defined. Now I'm gonna go into Dare, which is like a plummy metallic color. It has a little bit of shimmer, and I'm gonna go in with my Jeffree Star brush, and I'm actually gonna take that. Make sure to tap off the excess because we don't want any fallout, and I'm just gonna go right underneath what we already placed. This is just gonna smoke it out and create a beautiful seductress look. I'm just gonna take my powder brush, and I'm just gonna sweep away any little fallout. Some of the cream did transfer underneath my lid, but it's just because I didn't blend it in fast enough. So I'm just gonna pop some lashes on off camera and I'll be right back. So now that I put on fake lashes, I'm just gonna take the Covergirl Exhibitionist Waterproof Mascara and I'm gonna use that in my under lashes. Now I'm just going to go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On. It's an eye pencil, but I'm going to use it on my mouth. It's in the shade Torch. Now I'm just going to go into the shade Sultry Sienna from Covergirl. This is number 250 from their lipsticks. I've never used this before, so the packaging is still intact. I'm just going to have to remove that. Like I said, never been used. It's just a beautiful nude sienna color, and I'm just going to go in on top. I don't quite love how that looks, so I'm actually going to go in with Demi Matte Trending 440, and I'm just going to go in and kind of mix the two colors together. There, I just needed to like tone it down just a little bit. And there you have it, guys. That is the final look. I actually really love this collection. I actually really love the pigmentation of the eyeshadows. But the eye creams were really nice. I really like that I could cut the crease with it and it wasn't like crazy. It wasn't gunking up on me. I was using literally my fingers to just blend it out and it applied really beautifully. The eyeshadows overall were also very impressive. They're super pigmented and I didn't have to use a lot to get the desired color. And the color payoff is pretty phenomenal. I actually really like this golden color. I mean, I haven't obviously used all of them on my eyelids, but I got to swatch this on my eyelid and I love the green reflect from this. I think that's super trendy and I think that's super in style right now with the neon green. It just has a neon green glitter reflect and I think that's so pretty. You probably can't even see that on camera. It's not going to capture the way it looks in person, but super pretty, super blendable. I put that in my inner corner and I blended out like a dream. Overall, this whole collection is a definitely thumbs up for me. Definitely get your hands on it if you can. I feel like royalty right now wearing all this crown and this. My clothing doesn't really match the crown, but it's fine. Overall, thumbs up for me. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Turn on that bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you watch this video all the way to the very end, make sure you leave a panda emoji down below so I know you're watching. And until next time, you guys, DGAFpanda out.